Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Oyo in Doke's Kitchen. On today's recipe, I will leave you to guess what we are cooking today. I want to thank all of you for always watching my video, for sharing me out. I do thank all of you, and for my new subscribers, thank you for joining Oyo in Doke's family, and you're most welcome. So stay tuned as well. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. I do thank all of you, and let's get into the recipe and see what we are cooking. So guys, for our delicious vegetable soup with Ukazi, we'll be using all these ingredients, and I'll be leaving the list in the description box. Don't forget to click, and I do thank you for watching my video today. Guys, for our choice of protein today, we'll be cooking with some goat meat and oxtail, and as well as the cow leg. We have honeycomb beef and as well mountain rib with some shrimps as well. So guys, I'll be cooking the hard meat, like I call them, the likes of goat meat, and so I'll be putting them into everything here is washed and clean, so I'll be using pressure pot to cook them. I have meat, and as well we'll be adding my stock fish, and I have here what they call a bafroma, so I will just be adding it here. It's a very hard dry fish to cook, and I'll be adding the cow legs as well. Vegetable soup doesn't require a lot of water. I'll be cooking with 1 cup of water only. The pressure pot produces its own water, so I'll be adding some salt to taste, and as well as some seasoning, and I'll be adding 1 Scotch bonnet pepper as well. All right, so guys, I'll be adding this vegetable to my vegetable soup. It's really very nice, and I don't know how to pronounce the name so well, so I'm gonna show it here. Yeah, I love to cook with it, and make sure you pick all the flowers off the vegetable so you don't have to cook with it. And for me, it's easy, it just very nicely. So this is what I'm cooking with. The vegetable is so delicious. I use it in one of my recipes, the one I made ikoko. That's what I used to wrap my ikoko, which was the ekpang koko I made as well. So guys, I'm going to do this off the camera, and stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So guys, my next vegetable is going to be spinach. Yes, I'll be using spinach as well to make this vegetable soup. So I'm going to be cutting it as well off camera. So guys, because the beef and the other proteins are cooking in the pressure pot, I'm going to start by cooking my dry fish, which has been washed completely. I'm gonna add them into the pot and add almost 2 cups of water to just cook it straight on. All right, so guys, I'm going to be adding the stock fish in the pot. Okay, I'm gonna add the cow legs, and I'll be adding a little of the stock as well to cook some more. So guys, we are going to add the rest of the meat. So we're going to get them right in at this time. All right guys, so I'll be adding some of the crayfish, washed and blended with some pepper. So I'll just add a little to simmer. You stir nicely, and then allow to cook for a minute. So we'll be getting our palm oil into the pot. Yeah. You stir nicely. and cover to cook to allow the palm oil smell to all settle down well. Alright, so guys, you can see our pot is looking good, and at this point I'm going to be adding the Ukazi. So the best option is to get your Ukazi pounded if you can, or blend it up with blender. But today I decided to use knife to cut it very, very tiny. I really hope I did a good job. So because also is a dry Ukazi, that's why we're adding it at this point in the pot. Alright, so we are going to stir to combine. It's looking good already, and we are just getting started. So guys, you can see it's looking good. So at this point we are going to be adding our shrimps. Yeah, we add our shrimps in the pot. We'll be cooking as well with the small snails and periwinkles. This is already cooked, that's why it's coming in at this time. Add everything in, and then we are going to stir to combine. So the reason why we're adding the shrimp at this time is because it doesn't take time to cook, and we don't want it to be very dry and plastic, so you just have to be mindful of that. And now the remaining of our crayfish. Do remember we left some of our crayfish. We are going to be getting it right into the pot as well at this time. Everything will now cook together. You stir in one more time. So guys, remember that our vegetable, you can see how I cut it very nicely. We're going to add it right now. We are making vegetable soup with Ukazi as well. Alright guys, so now we're going to be adding our spinach. We'll add and turn as we go to see the quantity we need. So we're gonna stir in. We add in some more. Yeah, so we're gonna stir to combine nicely. Alright, it's looking good already. At this point you can taste to see if you need to add some more salt or add bouillon. So I'm going to be adding some bouillon seasoning at this time. And then stir in one more time. You can see we didn't add a lot of water here because this is vegetable soup, and the spinach will produce its own water, likewise the Ukazi. So we are gonna cover to cook, and then we clean up our workspace. Thank you guys for watching my video. Alright guys, you can see, oh my goodness, just take a look. Amazingly yummy. And right now guys, our soup is super ready. This is one pot of rich vegetable soup with Ukazi. I tell you to try that vegetable. I'm going to leave the list. If you're in diaspora, you can check it out in Asian store. It's very, very nice to cook with when you're making vegetable soup. And I do thank all of you for watching my video. You can see everything looking so nice and good, and your girl is all done today. And we're gonna set our pot aside. And I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Leave me some nice comments and also give me some thumbs up. I do thank you guys for watching my video, and I'm going to plate this for you guys to see the finished product. Thank you, I appreciate all of you. So guys, you can see our finished product. I tell you, this soup is so delicious and so yummy, very rich. We have our Ukazi here and the vegetables I used and everything you can think of as good choice protein. This is very nutritious and very delicious. I do thank all of you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Let's become family and grow together. And I thank you guys for watching my video. You have an amazing day and do stay blessed. Bye bye.